Alright, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Active 2. I know this is kind of late, but actually I had this watch before, but I just decided to do it right now. I was like, why not? So anyways, I already pre-opened the package, so we don't got to do no edits. I always like to get my videos out there quick and ready real quick, so I don't do no edits. So that's why I already pre-opened it, so I can open it real quick. So as usual, let's take a look. It comes in this small box. I saw like a another version of the box with the same Active 2. It was just like a longer one. I don't know if that's the newer box or the older box, whatever. All right, so basically this is what it looks like on the front, top, side, other side, and then on the bottom, and then the back. You could pause it and read it. This is the 44 millimeter aluminum one with the I think this is the black or blue, whatever aluminum color. And you can pause it to read it. Got tape on the top, bottom. All right, so let's open it up. So we got that on the side, everything. Already pre-opened everything. Got some kind of code. Forgot what that code was called. Okay, so inside here, let's go over this. Nothing. And then I guess we have the little instructions or something on this side here. So let's take a look what's in here. As usual, nothing else in here. That to the side. Okay, so we got the quick start guide. This is the Bluetooth one. I did not get the LTE one. In the future I might get the LTE one, but I found in the past with when I had the Apple Watches and stuff, the LTE was cool for like a week, and then after a while I went back to the smartphone. So anyways, ooh, my bad for the shake. All right, so we're gonna do the instruction thing as usual. Quick starter guide. Most people don't show this, and I pride myself in showing the the instruction, because maybe somebody wants to read something about here. Like they could pause it and read it. Gives you like a quick guide on this one. There you go, just like a quick look. All right, and that's it for this one. So we're gonna put that to the side, and then we got the terms and conditions. Most of the time just gonna go over this real quick because you guys are not interested in this. You could pause it and read it if you like. I'm not gonna go too much into it. Okay, so jeez. All right, so the rest of this is gonna be like this. So we'll take out the let's do this one first. So it comes in this little circle thingy here. Let's get that to focus real quick. And then if you open it up, it comes with the charging pad. So basically this is the wireless charger. So you got you just put the watch on top of here, I believe, like this, and it's like a magnet. I mean, it will fall off if you slide it, but you can feel the magnet. It's like a weak magnet holding on, and that's how you charge it. See the back here, made in Vietnam, so you know that if it's made anywhere else, it might be fake. Even though Samsung is Korean, they use Vietnam a lot. So anyways, and this is the USB part. So all you got to do is put it into the wall adapter and then put it in the USB port, or you could charge it on the computer. Comes with a pretty long cable, standard, I would say. So that's that. And anything else in here? No, nothing else is in here. All right, and then after that it's empty, as you can see. And then now we got the watch. Like I said, I'm a germaphobe, so I wiped it down a little bit. So before I touch the watch. So it comes with the you could get like the what's it called, the armor something armor version, or the gray version, and the pink and gold version. I got the black, looks like a blue a little bit, medium large band. I guess they used to come with like two bands for small and medium large. Now they only come with one, I guess. 20 millimeter. You got the little clip here where you could push and then unhooks the pin on each side. Got a little clip, and then so you can change out the bands whenever you like. So let's take a look on the back. It says Samsung Galaxy Watch. This is the Active 2, not the one, and it's the Bluetooth model, not the LTE model. So let's take a look. SMR820 is a Bluetooth model. And then what else does it say on the side? Let's see. I believe it's 44 aluminum case, Gorilla Glass DX Plus, whatever that means. Gorilla Glass is always good. 5 ATM. Mil spec. I don't know, 810G GPS. Made in Vietnam by Samsung. And then also rest of the stuff. Galaxy Watch, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so on the right side, you got the little microphone port. And then you got this big button. And then a little small button right there. And on here, you got the speaker grill right there. And I believe another microphone on the top. And nothing else on the side. Alright, let's see if it's got any juice. I turned this on earlier, so it doesn't have any juice, I don't think. Ah, dang. Well, that sucks. Let me see if I could just get some juice in here. Come on, man. No juice, huh? You ain't gonna do the juice. Here, you guys could watch that real quick a little bit. You know, take your time looking at that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing little bit charging real quick and see if anything happens. Should have done that before I did the video, but oh well. Let's see, get that thing. Can't get this thing. Oh man, this is gonna suck. Hold up. Let's unhook this thing. You know what? I'm gonna do this later. I'll show you in another video. But anyways, it's gonna come up like this. The screen is like that. Dang, I wish I had enough power to turn it on because I left it on earlier. Oh, here we go. All right, so there we go. Got a little bit of juice. I guess this is the power button here. This is probably some other button. We'll see. And so it's turning on. Let's see what's going on with this thing. Come on. Kind of slow when it comes up, but it's brand new starting. I'm not going to go through the whole process because this is just the unboxing, not like the whole review thing. But I'll show you when it comes up how the screen is, how much you can see as like the bezel doesn't take on the whole thing around the corner. It's just about this, and this is the bigger one, the 44 mil. And you can feel like a haptic feedback when you're rolling around the corner, touching like this when you spin it. And you can just go up, and then shows you the accessibility. So I believe you could use this, works best on Samsung, but you could also use this on an Apple phone. You just gotta download some of the apps like Gear app, I believe. The other thing with Apple is you can only use the Apple Watch for if you want to have all the functions on the Apple. You can't use it on the Galaxy, which that's why I don't get Apple. They kind of suck. So anyways, this is the what it looks like. So as you can see, it doesn't go all the way to the edge. I wish it did, but it uses the haptic feedback for the scrolling up and down. You could go like that to scroll, or you could go like this. Yeah, that's it. I would say if you look at it closely, the resolution is pretty dang good. I say on par with the new Apple Watch. Resolution is very good. I might be walking around with this watch. All right. So that's the end of the unboxing. I might do a review, might not. I got a couple of bands I'm trying to make a review on right now. So this is going to be the end of the video. If you have any questions or any comments or anything, as usual, just let me know and I'll get back to you.